Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a new geography chapter is agriculture. Now, agriculture is the first, or you can say that the most important activity in which our India's maximum population is engaged. If we talk about the agriculture, approximately 70% of the population is engaged in this activity. एग्रीकल्चर का नाम सुनते ही हमारे दिमाग में क्या आता है? विलेजेस, लार्ज फार्म्स, जहाँ पे हमारे पास बहुत सारी प्रोडक्शन होती है. नाउ लेट अस कम ऑन द टॉपिक इज द ह्यूमन ऑक्यूपेशन. द वर्ड एग्रीकल्चर बेसिकली डिराइव फ्रॉम अ लैटिन वर्ड एगर, or you can say that agri, which means soil, and culture means tilling, that means cultivation from a soil. So agriculture is basically referred as a farming activities. Earlier, we used to practice this farming activities on a small piece of land and they just grow these production for themselves only, not for the other persons. Clear? But nowadays, this agriculture facilities is increasing day by day. Apart from having the food products, now we are just producing some commercial products like cotton, jute, rubbers and all these things. So that we can able to get some good products from all these things. Now, basically, if we talk about the sectors, we are having three types of economic activities: primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary activities includes all those activities which we directly get from the nature, like fishing, agriculture, farming, mining, etc. If we talk about the secondary activities, so secondary means industries. That means secondary activities if we talk about, so when we just use all these primary resources so that we can able to make some new product, modification in the product. ठीक है, कोई प्रोसेसिंग करके कुछ नया प्रोडक्ट लेकर आना, जैसे कि शुगर केन से शुगर एंड पेपर हमारे जो बनते हैं, मेकिंग अ पेपर फ्रॉम अ वुड पल्प. सो इन दिस वे हमारा क्या होता है, सेकेंडरी एक्टिविटी में आता है जब हम प्रोसेसिंग के थ्रू हमको अपना फाइनल प्रोडक्ट यहाँ पे प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. The next is our tertiary activities, and the tertiary activities means when we are having the tertiary activities also known as the support sector, service sector, or you can say that the backbone of primary and secondary sector, because tertiary sector provides help to primary and secondary sector. With the help of tertiary sector, like tertiary sector में हमारे पास क्या क्या आएगा? बैंकिंग, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, कम्युनिकेशन, ऑल दीज फैसिलिटीज़. सो ये सब फैसिलिटीज़ प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी सेक्टर को हेल्प करती है ताकि इसमें और ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्वमेंट लेकर काम कर सकें. इज इट क्लियर अबाउट द थ्री एक्टिविटीज़, प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी एंड द टर्शरी? नाउ लेट अस कम ऑन द टॉपिक इज एग्रीकल्चर. एग्रीकल्चर वी नो वेरी वेल दैट इट इज़ अ प्राइमरी एक्टिविटी एंड it includes the growing, or you can say that production of the different crops, as well as in agriculture it also include the rearing of livestock. And right now more than 50% of the population is engaged in agriculture activities. Now if we see that what are the factors which affect the agriculture, we are having the few factors, that is land, physical factors, human factors. Now, if we are having a favorable land climate, then we are having a good agriculture facilities. So we can say that land सबसे important concept है, because we are going to produce the products on land only. So land is the basic requirement, like soil, water, sunlight भी चाहिए, but land हमारे पास basic requirement वहाँ पे रहती है. Only land is not able to grow the good production. Apart from the land, we must have a good physical factors. Physical factors means all these concepts: soil, water, sunlight. All these are the important physical factors that affect our agriculture. Apart from that, we must have a good human factors, because human beings know very well that how we can able to grow a good production with the help of different seeds. You can say that human beings used different techniques to have a good production of our agriculture, like good quality of fertilizers, pesticides, how we can able to use the good irrigation facilities. So all these things should be used by the human resource. Suppose we are having a land, we are having a physical factors, but we are not having a human resource. Human beings ही नहीं है, farmers ही नहीं है काम करने के लिए, तो क्या काम हो पाएगा? Obviously no. So in this way, land, physical factors and human factors, all are the three factors which plays an important role for the cultivation, or you can say that in the agriculture activities.